We are a team from Alkhidmat Foundation, Pakistan in West Bank. We are here in this farm, animal farm, to diagnose and see the sacrificed animals, goats, sheep, and other animals in order to Al-Adha sacrificed meat. Today is Monday, the 1st of Dhul-Hijjah, 1447, the 18th of May, 2026. We hope that from this donation we can help the needy, the poor, the orphans, and the all needy families in this area in Palestine, West Bank, and especially in Hebron district and its rural area.